What is up, you guys? I wanted to go over this Amazon short position and or put position. This was a scalp that you could have hit, would have took about 15 minutes. If you would have went with weeklies, it would have made about a 21% return. And this is something that we see a lot of the time when we're looking at intraday movements. So I figured it was something worth sharing here. Now, within the free Discord community today, I posted at 10:24 a.m. bear flow hitting Amazon, looking like we may drop down to $89. This was within our free Discord, so if you're not a part of it, I highly recommend you go check it out. The link is in the description. We're over 9,340 members strong. You guys get access to free courses, free day trades, free live streams, tons of free content over there. So looking at this is what we were looking at for Amazon. This is just today. You have to remember this is a very small time frame. We're looking at about 9:30 a.m. to about 11 a.m. where we are right now. And this is Bookmap. I'm going to do an entire video teaching you guys how to read Bookmap. It looks a lot harder than it really is, but basically we're just looking at these 1-minute candles. And this is a heat map that's showing up. And instead of your basic order flow or your basic time and sales, which you will probably see this book map over here to the right, or this order book, you probably are used to this. You can also see these heat map levels. And so what we're really looking for is those big buy and sell levels, and those are going to act as major supports. So if we were to just go through and take a look at today, I want to actually just go and make a rectangle around here, and this was what we were initially watching this morning, was this level. So we were trading within this range. We had this support level here at $90, which you can see is going to potentially act as a resistance right here, but we had this support level and we had huge buying come through here right at this level of $90. As we were coming into $90, I saw some unusual options activity come through on black box stocks. So as we're coming into that support, right at that time at 10:20, we had this bearish flow come through. And so as we're looking at that support with bearish flow coming through, my thought process is we're probably going to drop through this level. If I turn the volume dots on and I actually turn the candlesticks off, one thing that you will notice here as I actually highlight and zoom in is we have this big red bubble. This big red bubble is selling pressure. So as we have selling pressure coming into this support, it's a pretty good sign that we're going to drop down to that next leg of support, or that next buying area, which that next buying area is that level which we talked about within this Discord post, which was $89. So we dropped, and this was that level we were watching. $89 was the level, because look at all of the orders coming through. At $89, we had 91,719 shares set to execute right here. And so what this left part is showing us is that there is a big buyer who is still in the market down here at $89. So they have a limit order set, and if we get down there, they are going to end up filling. And so that was my target price, was that drop down to that level. Now, you have to realize when we're looking at any type of position like we're looking at here, or any potential trade, I want you to understand the fact that at the end of the day, these numbers are never going to be perfect. And that's why usually if I'm trying to scalp, like I would have entered up here at 90 and I would have exited down at 89.10 instead of 89 directly, because most of the time I'm not going to be a stickler for those specific positions. But now, as you see, we have bounced off that level, we're moving up. And it seems like if Amazon can end up holding here, we might see this push back up to $91, because that's where we have this sell level coming through. And then the highest we would probably get today is 92, because that's where we have this big massive sell order. So looking at Amazon, those were the levels we were watching. This is a little bit better of a view for somebody who's never read Bookmap or something, but this was that level we were watching, and we never got down to 89. But still, that move down would have been about 0.7% return, which with some weeklies would be a very solid bear position. I hope this video helped, guys. I know that bringing Bookmap onto this channel is not something I've done before, but it is something I want to continue to do. So I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, please let me know in the description, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.